All right, guys. So in this video, what we're going to do is we are going to cover once you see a property that you like or you have an idea for what you would like to put on a property and you just want to get in touch with the assessors and assessor's office and the zoning office, how do you talk to the county? So the first thing is what you're going to want to do is if let's say you're buying in Walton County, Florida, where we were looking at property earlier, you would type in Walton County, Florida, assessor's office or zoning department or the treasurer. And those departments, you just like you can call either of them depending on what you're looking for. So the assessor usually will handle things like the GIS maps and like your parcel number and things like that. The treasurer will collect the taxes for your property, and the zoning decides on what can be done with your property. So, depending on what it is that you're looking for, like for answers, you can, just type that in on Google. Walton County, Florida zoning department. It'll give you their number, their address, and you can call them and get the information. So the first thing you'd want to do is when you call them is have your parcel number ready, right? So your parcel ID or APN, that number identifies and locates that specific property you're calling about, and that's usually what they will ask you about. And you can ask them the questions that you have, like can you confirm the zoning and allowed uses, are the property taxes up to date? And you should take notes when you're talking to them, because that way you have a record of the conversation. And they're very helpful, and all you got to do is ask them, right? And this is how that process looks: is you have your parcel number, you have your questions ready, and they'll give you the answers that you're looking for. And usually you'll be working with the assessor's office, the zoning, or the treasurer's office, depending on how that local county operates. And even if you call the wrong place, they will connect you to the right